Welcome to Quick Revision, where we post a past exam question every day to support you getting ready for your GCSE exams. How does it work? Well, it's really, really simple. You just pause on the question, give it a go, play for the solution, and if things haven't gone as well as you'd have liked and you need a full walkthrough, then you just carry on watching the video. If you like what we're trying to do here, please hit the like and subscribe button. Hi, today's lesson is a indice question. It's come from a calculator paper. It was worth 3 marks. So hit pause, have a good go, and press play when you are ready to see the solution. Okay, so with this particular question, if we're going to use our indice rules, then we need to have our base numbers the same. We need everything to be in base 2. So we're going to work on these things one by one so that we can do exactly that. So let's start with the 8 cubed, because that's probably the easiest. If I want to write 8 with a base of 2, then I'm going to write it as 2 cubed. 2 cubed is equivalent to 8, and then that's being raised to the power 3. Using my indices rules, I can multiply the 3's, and I've got 2 to the power of 9. So I've now got 8 to the power of 3 written as 2 to the power of 9, and I'm going to work on 16 to the power of 3 over 2. Now, we need to remember our rules here. The denominator is our root, and the numerator is our power. So we're going to take the 16, we're going to square root it, which gives us 4, and we're then going to raise that to the power of 3, giving us 64. Our next job is to get 64 so that it's written as base 2. So that would be 2 to the power of 6. And you just sort of take your time to work out 2, 4, 8, keep going, and you'd get there no problem. Now we've got root 2. Think about what we just did with that fraction. We said that the denominator was the root. So when you're looking at the square root of 2, that can be written as a indice, as a power, where you have 2 as the denominator and 1 on top. So that can be written as 2 to the half. Now we're going to set all of this up. We've got 2 to the half divided by 2 to the power of 9 over 2 to the power of 6. I'm going to do the fraction bit first. We know that's a divide, and we are going to use our indice rules, which is take away. So that will give us 2 to the power of 3. And then obviously we're left with divide, which is still take away. It's just written in a different way. And a half take away 3 is minus 2.5. So n is minus 2.5. Okay, I hope that was useful. Quite a tricky concept, but once you've understood what it is you're trying to do there, it's not too bad, is it? But it really does use those rules, no doubt about that.